multiply 23 times 20. What we're going to do is we're going to use the standard algorithm to figure out how to multiply 2 digits times 2 digits. You take your number on the bottom and start with the ones digit and then multiply it to every digit up there. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. All right, friendly enough. Now when you go to the second digit, the tens digit on the bottom number, you have to include a 0 automatically. Then you do the same thing. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Once you've completed all of your rows, you add the rows together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Nothing plus 4 is 4. And you end up with 460. And that's your answer.